Have you ever talked to a tree? Have you ever heard that leaves can also be angry with humans? One day, a child was sitting alone, tired, broken. He angrily broke a tree branch and said, "Why does everyone ignore me?" Then the wind blew from behind him. The leaves of the tree rustled and a dry leaf fell in front of him. The child was startled, and then he felt that the dry leaf was saying something. We also break, but don't complain, because we know falling is also necessary, so that new leaves can come. Your words are not unheard, it's just that it's taking time for time to understand you. The child fell silent. He that picked up the broken leaf, and for the first time, apologized to myself. Sometimes when there is no one to listen, nature speaks. Just need someone to listen.